Do you want to know how you can hide your images or your uploads in Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach how you can hide your uploads on your Midjourney account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney. Click on the official link of Midjourney, log into your account, and what you can do is click on Create. If you go to Create, and if you go to the right side, you can see the hide option over here. You can hide all of the creations right here by clicking hide, and you can see these creations will be hidden. Now you can see, if you go to here, you can see on the bottom right hand corner, go to your account and click on Manage Uploads. In this uploads, you can see your hidden photos. So you can click on it and you can see that you can even unhide it or you can delete it. So if you go to your uploads and want to hide these files, you can just scroll or hover around these files, click hide, and in a while you can notice that your uploads have been hidden. Now to view it, go to hidden, and these are your hidden files. You can unhide it anytime by clicking unhide, and you can even delete the prompts or your uploads. This was a video on how you can hide your uploads on Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.